I grew up with an appreciation for natural health products, and my mother was an author. She wrote a dozen or so books that have sold millions of copies throughout the years about health and natural health. So it wasn't a huge leap to begin studying and researching for myself products that might be helpful, ingredients that could be helpful. I was always looking for something better, something unique. I was researching in the libraries, on the internet, really any way that I could. I came across transfer factors, papers that had been written about transfer factors, and a patent that had been filed at the U.S. Patent Office. So transfer factors are small molecules that we all have, humans, all animals. It's the way the mother communicates immune wisdom to her offspring. And when I read that patent and realized who the owners were, I contacted them. I knew that we had something different and unique, and I knew that we had to take it to the world. Chickens and cows have such heroic immune systems. If we can borrow that immune knowledge and use it in our own bodies, our own lives, it can really make a difference. We had to figure out a way to get it from cow colostrum to a way that could be consumed by us. We found a way to dry this portion of the colostrum in a way that could be encapsulated. My family, we were the first test market. We had the product encapsulated. We began taking the product immediately. We were the first ones to do so. We started sharing the product with our family, with our friends, and just one person at a time. We began talking to people. And now we have offices in multiple countries, dozens of countries throughout the world, reaching hundreds of thousands of people who are using transfer factor on a daily basis. I made the commitment early on that we would never put a product out that didn't have scientific research. The manufacturing process is very important. The collecting process is extremely important. Where we take excess colostrum. That first colostrum is given to the calf. We only take excess colostrum, and there is plenty of it. And then that's processed very carefully. All of our dairy farms that we partner with are USDA approved, grade A quality, so that we have only the highest quality and highest sanitation and the very best products possible. And it really is quite remarkable. In the beginning, we didn't really know where this would take us. We knew we had a wonderful product, but to see what's happened, the hundreds of thousands of people who are using this product, is very humbling. And to hear the stories of people who use the product is very inspirational to us.